it's your boy here, and if you can't hear me, then I don't know what you're doing. So I'm at tier 40. Ah! Oh my gosh! Focus! I'm at tier 54, and I don't have no battle pass, so that sucks. So why can't my player talk? I'm talk. Oh, I don't have a mic. Oops. Well, ah! So I'm literally at tier 54. I'm at Afterburner right now. I have the music right now. And so yeah. Oh, come on, off. I really want skins. Why don't you guys get 2FA? I really want a skin. I think I have 2FA because I have Boogie Down. I got that since I played. I didn't play Season 5, I played Season 6. And Boogie Down since Season 5. So that means I got 2FA. I didn't play since Season 5. Maybe I did, I don't know. No, I played since Season 6. I know that. Shout out to Dragon Gamer YT and Shy Guy Paul. The reason why I shout out Dragon Gamer YT because he got me to buy Hot Merit. So yeah, shout out to him. He got me to buy that in the item shop. It's 0 V-Bucks. And shout out to Shy Guy Paul for friending me in Roblox. And Shy Guy Paul, I searched up requests and it doesn't show anything there. So maybe spam requested so it can show up.